Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I am coming to you as one of the newer flavors of the month kit designers for the Scrap Room. Super excited. Today we're going to play with the sketch this month. But before I talk about the sketch, let's talk about this portion of the flavors of the month kit. This is the Photoplay paper Little Chef collection. Is what we are playing with today. I'm going to show you what's all in that collection, and then we'll talk about a little bit about the actual sketch that I'll be using as well, which is the Jumpstart sketch for this month over on the Facebook group. Make sure you go check it out. Super fun. All the other challenges are over there as well, so make sure you go do that. The sketch is by Lisa for this month, so I love chunky layers. I've grabbed some photos of my son. I bought one of those little kits to make your own pizza from Papa Murphy's, and he was obsessed with making his own pizza. So Little Chef, this is adorable. You get, first of all, flavors of the month kit, you get 4 different collections, and then you always get 2 cardstocks, 3 pattern papers, and some embellishments. This time we get a whole 12x12 sticker sheet. Lots of amazing goodies on this sticker sheet. I've already got my eyes on the title, some of these phrases for a subtitle looking at the sketch. So we kind of already talked about it, even though I didn't show you the kit. So yeah, sketch by Lisa. Up in the corner, it'll stay up there while I do my layout. But the pattern papers you will receive in this kit. So this one's going to be the same for everybody, since the embellishments are just the whole sheet. Nothing's going to vary. So what you see here is what you're going to get. Make sure if you want to watch a really good unboxing, you go watch the official unboxing. I will have that linked down below as well. But you get the piece of paper, pattern paper. This is cookies. So one side is obviously cookies. This would be a really good one. The colors are actually really good for Christmas, for making Christmas cookies. This would be a really good one. So this back side is this beautiful green. This side is cookies. Page paper. The second paper you get is frosting. This is white with sprinkles, and it's got like a subtle, almost like paper towel pattern is what I want to say, where it looks like 3D. And then this side is all the frosting. I really like the sprinkles. And then we've got Sweet Stripe. This one's awesome as well. I love the stripes. And this blue is calling my name. So more than likely, I will be using these 2 papers. Probably not this one, because we're not doing anything sweets. We're making pizza. So yeah. And then you get 2 lovely pieces of cardstock. These 2 are evergreen cardstock, textured cardstock. Is it smooth on one side? It is. It is more smooth, more textured on the other. So if you want to do anything with that, you can. So that is what we're playing with, and I believe I'm going to do these 2. I kind of went through my photos. I have a few from this, but these 2 are us actually making the pizza. And then these are kind of all the same, of him not looking in weird. Like, he would never look at the camera. Like, he'd always look off to the side. And yeah, so these ones I don't think I'm going to include. So let me get my photos trimmed down. They're probably not going to be square like in the sketch, but they will be not 4x6. I'll trim them down a little bit. And let me get some papers picked out, and we will get started. What I've done so far was pick out which papers I want for my chunks. I've cut down my white cardstock, well, a piece of white cardstock I brought in and cut it down and then framed it with the green. I did go grab from the pattern paper add-on kit this macaroni paper just to map my photos with, but if you have yellow cardstock or anything like that, could have been done too. I just happened to also have the pattern paper add-on, so I used it just to map my photos, but that was it. But I cut down this one. I did, is it 5.5? Because I wanted to use both sides. So proportionally, they're not the same as the sketch. I think it's close. I should have cut this one a little longer. And my photos are a little bit bigger, so they're gonna look a little more crowded. But I cut this green paper that was on the back of the cookies. I really like that one. And this ended up being, how long? 8 1/4. And then so this is 5 1/2, so this is 6 1/2. Yep. And then I cut it. Oh, I wanted to cut it 8. Yeah, I only cut it 7 1/4. That was silly. I feel like I didn't grab the right piece. I feel like there's a different piece floating around somewhere that I was supposed to grab, but it's fine. Do what you can, right? Do what you can. So I'm going to glue these layers down because I really like them. I'm toying with the idea, though, of inking the edges of everything, all the papers. I didn't do the white, though. In this color would be really fun. And that's pretty much pine needles. We can always peel up the edge and try to ink it when we're done. Just to add another little something to the paper. Make them really pop off that white. All right, that's definitely what it needed. Look at this. It just pops a little bit more. And I trimmed my mat too short, but I'm not someone who's going to waste paper and go do another one. I'm going to work with it. Oh yeah, I like that inked. We'll just tuck the photo under. Or put an embellishment there. It can all be fixed. It's paper. I kind of like it underneath. One tucked one over. Perfect. All right, I'm going to glue down. So now that we've got it inked and glued down, we can just embellish. I think the inking really makes it pop. This is going to be relatively simple, so I want to use this little chaff. And I'm going to have it sit like right here. I think we're going to put some foam behind it. So I've got some foam that has adhesive on it. Because otherwise this layout's pretty flat. So if we add some foam behind our title and maybe our subtitle, I'll give it just a little bit of character. Little chef. I wanted to do this Bon Appetit in red. Bon Appetit. That's perfect right there. Okay. We'll leave the foam here just in case we decide we want to do anything else. I definitely need this pizza slice. So it looked like from the sketch we had kind of an embellishment over here and embellishment over here. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to add some stickers with what we like. I think we'll do the pizza, the oven mitt, maybe do the chef hat. There we go. Stick the oven mitt like that. Okay, I like the pizza right there. Pin. Gotta do a little combination of a few of them, I feel like. Do the rolling pin. Stick that out right there. And the salt and pepper. That might be good. Get cooking. Eat it. And then, let's see. Let me grab my tweezers and let's do some of these stars. There's some super tiny stars on the sticker sheet. That will sprinkle around. Is that it? I think there's one more. Put that one there. Is there any more or anything else? I don't think I'm gonna put anything else on there. I might just do some splatters with my ink that I inked everything up with. So we have the white background, we have the opportunity for splatters, why not, right? Ooh, I did a lot of water. Not on my photo. Thank you very much. But there you go. Thanks you guys for watching. Check out the Scrap Room and all it has to offer and the amazing flavors of the month kits. And check out the Facebook group for all the fun challenges. We'll see you next time.